Okay, here we are at our Thanksgiving turkey cookie project. We're ready to make the assembly drawing with the exploded assembly and the callout. So we've just finished our assembly. So what we want to do is go to exploded views, click there, add an exploded view. Oftentimes this won't be visible for some reason or another. If you press the reload, it'll appear and you can do it. You can use it. So let's just click there, move this out of the way, and let's see, how should we do this? Let's take the Reese's Peanut Butter Cup and pull it out just about that much, maybe -2 here to pull it out like so. Got that one. And then how about the Hershey Kiss? Now, will that be too close to the peanut butter cup if we do that? I don't know. We could come out like this. Let's come out one in that direction. Let's just see what happens. So we'll accept that. Shift 7. Actually, we're probably going to need to come out more. At any rate, let's come over here and click on the Oreo cookie back. We'll pull this out like this. Let's go -2 there. We'll accept that. And let's see. Well, how should we do this to make this as clear as possible? Maybe we take the other Oreo cookie and pull it out just a little bit. We should have taken the other ones a little more. We'll have to adjust this. Whoops, not -5, -0.5. -0.5, like so. And then, well, let's do the candy corn. Do we have to do each one of those individually? I don't think I want to do that, so I'm going to click on all of them here. Got that one. Let's see, will it allow me to do that? I think it will. Nope, it's not allowing me to do that. Let's just click over here. Let's just go escape. And let's see what it looks like. Go here, and then double click on explode one. Yeah, that's okay for now. Maybe we can take this guy and now bring him up. This will be like a compound. We'll go up 1.5. And maybe we want to come out again this way. That might look interesting. Yeah, it comes out like that. So this guy, so he is number 4, so let's double click on 4 and take him out just a little more, -1, like so. And now we've got it like this. Finally, let's see if we can do these. Do that one, that one, that one, that one, and that one. I'm wondering if this is going to work. It's going to, oh, it's not going to take all of them. Okay. Well, let's take that up 1.5. Accept that. Let's make another one with the orange. There may be a better way to do this. There probably is. However, we're going to do it this way. And we want to take that one up in the same direction. Uh-oh, I don't have that direction now. All right, well, let's escape out of there. Okay, so that one's going to be a little more difficult. Let's come here, Shift 7. There it is. Let's go back in here and try this again. So here, 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 and here. And if I go up like that, is it going to go in the same direction? Not really. That's not really what I want. Escape. So I don't know how we're going to handle that one. Tell you what, let's do this. So click done. Let's not even touch at this point the candy corn. So we're going to leave it just like this. So, but I encourage you to, once you get this far, to experiment with bringing these out so we can see how it's put together. And okay, so experiment with that. So let's right-click, create a drawing of the Thanksgiving turkey assembly. Let's see. Let's use size A paper. And we want to view the isometric and the exploded, something like this. That looks good. So I'll left click and then I'll turn on shading. So you can come down here to the title block and see if you can fit that in. I don't think you can, but you can extend the size of these text blocks a little bit so it looks like that. That's a little better. Okay, now we forgot to work on the bill of materials. Let's go back here and go to bill of materials and see what we have here. Part number, we don't have one of those. Let's remove that column. Description, we don't have that. Remove column. Let's add a column called name. Now, I went ahead and gave everything a name. So, but I know in the videos by Mr. Duzan, he doesn't do that, but I'd recommend doing that. So now, when we go to our assembly drawing here, I can hit the yellow button. That means refresh a change that you've made previously. Go to the BOM table like this. Let's take it and put it at the lower right. So I'm going to click this button here. So I want to dock it here. We always want to dock it, like so. That looks pretty good. And now we can come to the callouts, and we just want to, remember, go to the edge of the parts, not inside the parts. So here, and you want to maybe just select a couple orientations and not have it, have a whole bunch of orientations. Here I've got really just two so far. Two, one at plus 45, one at minus 45, so to speak. Let's see, have I done everything? I guess I haven't done these. These are going to be a little more. Let's zoom in, and let's put it like this. That's 5, and this is kind of hard to get in here. But you guys are going to figure out a cool way to... No, that's not a good place to put it. You guys are going to find out a good way to do the explode with the candy corn, so you're not going to have this problem that I'm having right now. How can I get that white one? Let's see, white part. Let's take this guy like this, and why is this yellow? I didn't update anything. Let's go to the callouts here, and boy, this is hard. I'm just going to grab it right here at the edge, zoom way in like this, and we'll give that a try. But again, this is not ideal, but it's all I can come up with right now in the minutes I have to do this video. Mr. Reed won't let me go on my Thanksgiving break until I finish this. He threw the stapler at me and said, yeah, he was pretty adamant I can't leave. So I'll do that. So try to get at least to here, and then, but I know you guys can do better here, and on the with the candy corn, and show how that comes together. And that's your assembly drawing, exploded assembly drawing with bill of materials and callouts, and thanks for watching.